The ARTAS robot is rapidly scanning the donor to be harvested to determine which follicles are prime and best for the harvest. It then employs a laser targeting technology that mobilizes the needle mechanism, which contains a needle within a needle. A sharp needle first is mobilized to surgically dissect around the follicle to the level of the dermis. A blunt needle is subsequently mobilized to bluntly score around the follicle to the level of the dermal papilla. And that means that the follicle is now free from teetering, so that the technician is able to easily extract it manually.